Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. #CGI Java Developer Salary, an informative tutorial. Introduction. CGI, or conseillers and gestion informatique, is a global IT and business consulting services firm. Like many technology companies, CGI employs Java developers to work on various software projects, application development, and system integration. Understanding the salary expectations for a CGI Java developer can help you navigate your career path in this field. Factors influencing salary. 1. Experience level. Entry level, typically, developers with less than 2 years of experience can expect to earn between $60,000 and $80,000 annually. Mid-level, developers with 2 to 5 years of experience usually earn between $80,000 and $110,000. Senior level, those with more than 5 years of experience can earn $110,000 to $140,000 or more, especially if they take on leadership roles. 2. Location, salaries can vary significantly based on geographic location. For example, United States, salaries in tech hubs like San Francisco or New York are generally higher. Canada, CGI has a significant presence in Canada, where salaries may range from $70,000 Canadian dollars to $120,000 Canadian dollars depending on the province. 3. Technology stack, proficiency in additional technologies like Spring, Hibernate, or cloud technologies, AWS, Azure, can boost a developer's earning potential. 4. Education, higher educational qualifications, such as a master's degree in computer science or related fields, can also influence salary. 5. Certifications, relevant certifications, such as Oracle Certified Professional Java Programmer, can enhance job prospects and salary potential. Salary statistics. Average salary, as of late 2023, the average salary for a CGI Java developer in the United States is approximately $90,000 to $120,000 annually. Job growth, the demand for Java developers is expected to grow, which can lead to higher salaries in the future. Example code snippet. Here's a simple Java code example that might be relevant for a CGI Java developer. This snippet illustrates a basic RESTful API using Spring Boot, a common framework used in Java development. Steps to run the code. 1. Set up Spring Boot, use Spring Initializr, https://start.spring.io, to create a new Spring Boot project with the necessary dependencies, Spring Web. 2. Add code. Replace the generated code in your main application file with the above code snippets. 3. Run the application, use your IDE to run the application or use Maven commands. 4. Access the endpoint, open your web browser and navigate to http://localhost 8080/hello. You should see the message, "Hello, CGI Java Developer." Conclusion. Understanding the salary expectations for a CGI Java developer can empower you to make informed career decisions. By considering factors such as experience, location, technology proficiency, and education, you can better position yourself in the job market. Additionally, enhancing your skills with projects like the one shown in the example can further increase your value as a developer.